I didn't want nothing to do with manufacturing, but now I'm about to see if I can pull this job at Amway, which is manufacturing.
Before I came to the Career Center, I thought I'd never go to college. And then now that I've gone here, I'm actually going to college for elementary education. I'm gonna implement a lot of hands-on learning in my classroom when I become a teacher.
Don't be scared because you see all the gizmos and gadgets, because it's very, very simple.
We're at Northview Next Career Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Our mission here at Northview Next Career Center is to prepare students for success past graduation through innovative instruction, forward thinking, and career readiness. It's different than a traditional high school experience through project-based learning, focusing on the interests of the students and more hands-on opportunities for our students, but also the career readiness piece to prepare them for life past high school.
It was time for a change. I didn't like the traditional high school. Me and my mom, we were looking for a different school to go to, and this one kind of stood out, and now I'm here.
If you're not doing good in the normal school and you just want to try something different, this is definitely the best place you're gonna find for sure. You couldn't find anywhere better than this place, honestly.
The big thing is through career readiness, we have the manufacturing lab here at our school. The amateur platform is part of the program. Basically, it gives the students the basic skills to further their careers in whatever they choose to do. There's a lot centered on manufacturing, but I think a lot of the amateur platform can cover a lot of career paths, not just manufacturing.
I'm a pretty visual learner. I need to see it for me to click in my brain. They do a lot here. There's hand tools, they teach you what they are, like the names, how to use them, different uses, learning electrical work, how to put wires together, circuits, learning resistance, learning voltage, learning schematics, how to read schematics. I didn't think I would be able to do any of that, but through this system and through this teaching, I was able to definitely progress.
I like the amateur e-learning because it gives the students an option to have it be read to them, and they can just listen and focus on that and go through it. It also provides a lot of opportunities to do some manipulating on the computer, different little activities, make sure they don't just fly through it, push button to button, and it has really good reviews at the end of each module. The hands-on amateur equipment that we have is electrical, measurement, pneumatics, sensors. We have the skill boss that kind of encompasses everything, which is really nice. We have the control relay system, tools, and so it just adds that hands-on component for our students to take what they've learned on the platform to actual hands-on to someday using those skills past high school.
I am a massive hands-on learner. Here you have basically unlimited amount of time just trying to get it done at your own pace, and you get to choose what you want to do instead of being told what to do.
I really find myself as a facilitator of this class. I was just walking around making sure students, they ask me questions, I come over and help. But it is self-paced, self-learning.
My favorite piece of equipment here in the SACA Lab would be the skill boss. Don't be scared because you see all the gizmos and gadgets, because it's very, very simple once they break it down. Once you go through the e-learnings, as they got visual demonstrations, they got right from wrong, they show you demonstrations of what to do and the consequences if you don't do it. You got it, G.
SACA is Smart Automation Certification Alliance. I find that SACA is a tool to help our students be successful past high school. It has helped our students become more employable, where we've had a wonderful partner in Amway recognize the program as a tool for their future employees. And so we've had students go right from our program to the workforce at Amway, and it's actually helped our students get an advantage in the interview process to see that they've had the exposure, the skill work, the hands-on that SACA provides. We have a wall full of certificates that each student gets at the completion of the program. Not only on our wall, they also get to take one home for their own portfolio. A lot of our partners let us come in and it shows our students how the skills that they have been learning in our program connect to the manufacturing world. Amway has actually brought in their employees here and worked with our students on specific skills in the SACA Lab, which has been great for them and great for us to have other people come in to share their story, to share their skill set.
I never really thought, I would not even think twice about going into anything with hands-on manufacturing, building things. I've never thought that I would have the opportunity to do that or slightly the want to do that. But now that I know what I'm doing, it's I could do that.
When our students get hired to a place like Amway, our students have an edge because they've gone through this program, and Amway recognizes the skills and the things that they've learned. They might start at a basic technician level, but some of our students have actually gone in and been able to get a step up because of going through the SACA program. It's given them a new path to life, to realize that they can be successful past high school, to provide for themselves, to see the benefits of maybe working in manufacturing with not just what the pay is, but finding a place that is a good fit for them. We've heard stories of kids saying, hey, I never thought I'd go into manufacturing, but now I enjoy it. I enjoy the constant change and the constant hands-on, and it just really opened the eyes for some students.